Hey yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Huawei back with another video, and today guys, in this video I'm gonna be reviewing the Huawei MateView. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, you guys can get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch. So the promo code will be on the screen and in the description below, so make sure you. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it. Smash. So anyways guys, let's get into this video. Huawei unveiled its latest set of smart products that comes with new features as well as range of hardware's capabilities. However, there are two new Mate series products that are brand new and stole the spotlight of the event. Yes, we are talking about the Huawei MateView, professional monitor with high image quality as well as a design that goes all corners with low bezel to increase the viewing experience at its peak. Huawei MateView monitor comes with a 28.2-inch LCD display size and 3.2 screen ratio plus 4K resolution, 98% DCI P3 screen color, 178-degree viewing angles, 1200:1 contrast, 164 ppi, 60 Hz refresh rate, 500 nits brightness, and also low blue light and no flicker technology to save the user's eyes. The monitor supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5G GHz working frequency, Bluetooth 5.1 and 1 HDMI 2.0 interface. The MateView monitor has 135W USB-C power adapter, and it has two speakers that built inside and two microphones that support a 4-meter far field pickup. Talking about input out, the Huawei MateView has a 35.5mm headphone and microphone combo interference that support the OMTP. Also, there is one USB-C port for power supply outputs. This 28.2-inch display size monitor comes with expand at 608.35mm by 59.1 12mm and has about 6.2 kg in overall weight. Huawei MateView comes in two versions: wired projection and wireless projection. Now the Huawei MateView wired projection version is priced at $399.9 in Chinese dollars. That's roughly $620 US, and the other Huawei MateView wireless projection version is priced at $46.99 Chinese dollars. That's roughly $730 in US. Now the only color that is out right now for the Huawei MateView is the color white. That's the only colors on the market right now. Currently only wireless projection version is available to pre-order, and its first sale will start on the 1st of June 2021 in China. So that's yesterday, so they are now on sale, so you guys can run over there and get it before it get out of stock, because you don't want to miss it, trust me. So anyways guys, we've come to the end of our video for today. If you like this video, please smash that like button down below. Also please subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. So anyways guys, it's me, your boy Huawei. Peace out.